Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we're getting stuff transplanted here, and we're getting seeds sown today. So we have a lot of videos coming up. This is one of my moringa trees here. This is in a 4-inch container, and I'm going to be transplanting it into a 1.71 gallon container here. Here. Okay, so I'm getting this filled with the Lambert all-purpose potting mix here. Well, actually it's a professional growing medium. And I just bought this yesterday. Go grab my tree here real quick. Stick my tag in here. Work this out of its container here by going around it. This is nice and moist, and you can see here the root system that's developed on here. I'm just going to kind of break these roots up just a little bit so that it goes out into the medium. And I'm putting this in here. If you want to come closer, please.
Sure.
Okay, there we go. Now, this lip right here is, you want to fill your soil about up to here. You can go a little bit higher because it will shrink a little bit, but not too much. And what that'll do is when you water this, it will keep your water from spilling out over the top and making a huge mess over everything. Your plant will actually get watered, which is exactly what you want, because you want your plants to be getting well watered. You don't want your stuff only getting partially watered. Kind of firming this down here a little bit. This does shrink a little, but not like I've seen other stuff shrink. And I'm just getting this gently watered here. That green that you see in the tub was not from this seed starting mix here, this potting mix. That was from my other mix that I was using. So I'm just going to let this soak down here a little bit. You can see here it's working completely different than stuff that I'm typically used to using. Yeah. Let that soak down some. I'm going to water this till water runs out the bottom, so that way then I make sure that everything is nice and wet and moist. And you might be asking, why don't I just water it real fast and just get it done with? I want to make sure that as this water settles and as the soil settles down and through, that it gets out any air pockets. Because if you get an air pocket in, you're going to have issues, and we don't want issues. We want everything growing nice and good. We want everything to have nice, good contact with the soil, with the roots and everything else. So we gently water everything in here. It is starting to run out the bottom some here. Okay, yep, there we go. And now this is running out the bottom here. So I'm going to take this here and I'm going to put it in the greenhouse in here. And it's going to continue to grow in there. If you're not familiar with moringa trees, go ahead and look them up online. They're supposed to be a complete protein and have a lot of the amino acids in them. And they're supposed to be really good for you. So I am looking forward to getting to actually try this year. So we're going to put this in. And let's see here. It's pretty full in here. But I'm just going to sit this right up here. So this big dahlia was growing up there. It outgrew its spot, so I had to put it down on the floor. So that gave me an empty spot right here, and I'm going to put this here. After the danger of frost is past, this is going to go outside, and if I need to, I will transplant it again into a larger container. So I do have another one of these to transplant then, because I have 2 of them growing this year, and looking forward to getting to taste these and see what they taste like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.